Terdengar, Cok. Yo guys, hidup cuma sekali, mati hanya sekali. Hidup tak perlu basa-basi, emang lo yang kaya.
First, clean the cassava with clean water. Next, peel the cassava with knife. Then, clean the cassava again to prevent any bacteria to disturb the yeasting process. Okay, then grate the cassava to eliminate the upper layer so the fungus can respirate the cassava glucose. Cut the cassava into pieces. Prepare the steam pan to steam the cassava. After that, put the cassava into the steaming pan. Then steam the cassava to make the texture softer. Then shake the cassava periodically by poking it with spoon. After the steaming process complete, take the cassava out by a spoon and make sure not to contaminate it. Now we're ready to start the yeasting process. First, make the cassava into powder. Then, spread the yeast into cassava and make sure not to contaminate it. Then put the cassava into airtight place so the anaerobic respiration will start. Put it in the room temperature place